Hi, my name is Bill Kennedy, and thank you for being here at the Ardan Labs YouTube channel. I'm very excited about what we're doing here on YouTube. This is going to be our opportunity to start sharing for free training material that we're producing here in the labs and at workshops and other conferences. Nice snippets of maybe 2 to 10 minutes of video on different lessons, either around Go, GraphQL, and other tech that I'm excited to teach. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get notifications every time we add new content here each and every month. And if you're looking for larger education material, then please check out education.ardanlabs.com, where we feature our full courses at a minimal price. We really work hard to keep that at a pricing level that everybody can afford. And if you feel like it's still out of reach, well, you come and talk to me and I'll try to work with you. I want everybody here to have access to the education they need. And this YouTube channel for me is special because we get to share a lot of training material for free.